Hello all, how are you? I hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to our ICT class. This is video number 28 and we are studying chapter 8. Let's make our presentations impressive. In the last class we have learned what is a slide. When we open the LibreOffice Impress, the presentation software, we can see pages in which the contents are organized. These pages are known as slides. Then we have learned slide layout. The models of several pre-designed slides available in presentation software are known as slide layout. So when we add a new slide, we can select the required layout. Many different slide layouts are available like a blank slide, title only slide, title and content slide, comparison slide, etc. So when we add a new slide, we can select the required layout. Then we have done activity 2, that is adding the content. We have learned how to add contents into the slide. We can see click to add title. Click on that, type the title. Below that we can see click to add text. Click on that and type the other details. This is how we can add contents into the slides. Then we have done activity 3, making the letters attractive. We can make the letters more attractive by changing the properties like font style, font size, font color, etc. So for that, first we have to select the text. Then in order to change the font style, click on the font name box and select the required font from that. In order to change the font size, click on the font size box and select the required size. And in order to change the font color, click on the font color tool and from the color palette, select the required color. Today we are going to learn how to add pictures into the slides and how to give background color to the slides in order to make it more beautiful and attractive. So this is the presentation that we have prepared in our last class. We have done our first slide. We have given the main title, Conservation of Water, and the subtitle, Issues and Solutions. Then we have changed the properties of these two titles like font style, font size and font color. Then we have added a second slide but not entered any details into this. Now we will give the title to the second slide. Here we can see click to add title. Click here, then give the title. Okay, now click on this second box in order to add the details into this space. Now we are going to do our fourth activity, that is adding pictures into the slides. How to add pictures into the slides? For that we have two methods. Either click on this insert image tool in the toolbar or from this insert menu select the option image. Okay, so in order to insert images into the slides, we have two methods. Either click on this insert image tool or from insert menu select the option image. Then a window will appear. From this we can select the required image and click on this open button. But suppose if we don't have any images related to our topic, what can we do? We can download the images from internet. Okay, so first let's open the web browser Mozilla Firefox. Then in the search box of Google search engine, we can type water conservation solution images. Just type the keywords, press enter key. Now click on this tab, images tab, so that we'll get the images related to our search. From this we can select the required image. Now we will select this image, click on that. It will be shown here in an enlarged size. We can download this image. So right click the mouse on this image, then select the option save image as. Then a window will appear. Here we have to give a suitable file name. We'll give the name water. Then we have to select the folder in which this file should be saved. I'm selecting documents folder. Then click on this save button. Now this image will be saved in the documents folder in our computer. Now let's close this. Okay, now we are going to add that downloaded image into our slide. So how to add an image? We have two methods. Either click on this insert image tool in the toolbar or from insert menu select the first option image. A window will appear. From this we have to select the required image. So we have downloaded that image in the documents folder. So select documents folder. From this select the required image. This is the image water. Select that, click on the open button. then that image will be inserted into our slide. Now how to change the size and position of this image? For that we can see many small blue squares around this image, right? We can click and drag on these small squares in order to change the size of the image. If we click and drag it inwards, we can see the image size is getting reduced. If we click and drag it outwards, the image size will get increased. Okay, so we can click and drag on these small squares in order to change the size of the image. Okay, now how to change the position of the image? For that, just click on this image and drag the mouse. See, click and drag on this image to change the position. Then place it where we want, then release the mouse. This is how we can insert an image into the slide, change the position and change the size of that image. Now let's save this file. So go to File menu, select the option Save. A window will appear. Here we have to give a suitable file name. After giving the name, select the folder where this file should be saved. So I'm selecting Documents folder. Then click on this Save button. Now this presentation is saved. So that was our fourth activity, adding pictures into the slides. Now let's move on to our next activity, that is making the background beautiful. How can we make the background beautiful? We can give an appropriate background color to the slides. Okay, so first we will select the first slide. Now we are going to give a background color to this first slide. For that, first we have to select this first slide. Then from slide menu, select the option Properties. A new window will appear. From here, select the Backgrounds tab. Then here click on this Color button. From this color palette, select a required color. Then click OK button. Now a background color is given to the first slide. This is the first method to give background color to the slide. Second method is when we select a slide, here in this right side we can see the Properties window. In that we have an option to give select the background color. See, now the selected color is yellow. We can click here and from this color palette we can select the required color. So we have two methods to give background color to the slide. Either go to slide menu, select Properties, select Backgrounds tab, then select Color button. From this color palette select the required color. Or in this right side from the Properties window, we can change the background color from here. See, from this color palette select the required color. So these are the two methods to give background color to the slides. Now let's give background color to our second slide. So select this second slide. Either go to slide menu, select Properties, Backgrounds tab, Color button, select a color from the color palette, click on OK button. Or second method, from this Properties window in the right side, here we can see the background color. Now the selected color is light blue. Click here. We can select any other required color from here. See, this is the method to give background color to the slides. Now we have to save these changes. We have already saved this file and after that we have made some changes. We have given background color to the slides. Now we have to save these changes also. So again go to File menu, click on the Save button. The changes will be saved. We also have a shortcut method, Ctrl+S keys in the keyboard to save the changes. Okay, now we have saved the changes. Now we are moving on to our next activity, that is activity 6, presentation. Slideshow presentation. For that, go to this slideshow menu. From that, select Start from First Slide option. Now we can see our slides in an enlarged form. We can see our first slide now. Now just click the mouse, then our second slide will appear. So this is slideshow presentation. How to see the slideshow presentation? Go to slideshow menu, select start from first slide, then click the mouse to see the next slides in our presentation. Now let's summarize what we have learned today. We have done activity 4, adding pictures to the slides. In order to add pictures into the slides, we have two methods. Either click on the insert image tool in the toolbar, or from insert menu, select the option image. A window will appear. From that, select the required image, click on the open button. Then we have done activity 5, that is making the background beautiful, that is to give background color to the slides. Here also we have two methods. First we have to select the slide, then from the slide menu select properties, then from the window that appears select the backgrounds tab, then select the color button. From the color palette select the required color, click OK button. And second method is from the properties window in the right side, click on the background color, and from the color palette select the required color. Then next is activity 6, that is slideshow presentation. For that, click on the slideshow menu. From that, select start from first slide. We can see our slides one after the other when we click on the mouse. Okay, now you have a homework. Write the steps to add pictures into the slides in your notebook. So by this video, we have completed all our chapters. Next class onwards, we'll start our revision classes. So see you next class. Bye. Thank you.